Hi, this video is about Cloud Stop Motion, an online animation tool that allows students to create stop motion video easily. To get started, we open the website and click Start Animating. No login or download is needed unless your project is large and you want to save it. Now I have already logged in, then we click New Project to enter the workspace. The interface is clean and simple. When we move the mouse over the icon, it shows what each tool does. On the left, we can find its different features like changing the speed, adding image, insert titles, and more. But some advanced features like adding transition and green screen require a paid plan. I think students in grade 3 and above can use this tool easily, but for younger students, they might find it difficult because of the number of features. At the top of the screen, we can see a set of tool icons as well. For the person icon, it can give us access to our account detail, and we can find the privacy policy, corporate compliance, and terms of service here. The privacy policy said Cloud Stop Motion collects basic info like account's name and videos only to run the service. It doesn't use student data for advertising or sell it, but it may share the info with service provider when necessary. It also follows corporate rules, so students' data is protected and supports adult supervision. For accessibility, it has a full screen mode for students with vision needs, but it lacks other accessibility tools like keyboard navigation or translation for English language learners. So I will rate its accessibility 1 out of 5. Now I would like to show you two projects I created using Cloud Stop Motion. Thank you.